Good evening, children. Today we will study the last topic of the first chapter, that is changing trend in physical education, Khelo India program. Khelo India program. The importance of sports and fitness in one's life is invaluable. Playing sports inculcates team spirit, develops strategies and analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting, and risk taking. A fit and healthy individual leads to an equality, healthy society, and strong nation. The Khelo India program was launched in 2018 by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The eligibility of this program is divided into two categories were made as per the ages of the participants, that is under 17 and under 21. There are certain important features of Khelo India program or important points to be remembered. First one, 200 million children in the age group of 10 to 18 years to undergo physical fitness drives. That is, the program scheme will be implemented by the central government machinery and 100% of the funds will be promoted by the central government. And the government of India has approved near about 1756 crore for the period of 2017 and 18 to 2019 and 20. Second point, a pan-Indian sports scholarship scheme to cover 1,000 young athletes each year. That is, the Pan India Sports Scholarships scheme, which would cover 1,000 most talented and deserving young athletes every year across selected sports disciplines initially. That is, there are 16 disciplines. For example, they are archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, judo, karate, kabaddi, kho-kho, shooting, swimming, volleyball, weightlifting, etc. Third point, selected should get the scheme shall receive an annual scholarship worth 5 lakhs rupees for 8 consecutive years, continuous years. Fourth point, promote 20 universities across country as hub of sporting excellence. That is, a long-term athlete development pathway would be made available to gifted and talented youngsters to excel in competitive sports and will create a pool of highly competitive athletes. And this one, The program aimed to promote 20 universities across the country as a hub of sporting excellence, that means which would enable talented sports person to pursue both studies as well as sports. The last point is rupees 1756 crore allotted by the Government of India. That is, we have already discussed. There are some more points to be discussed. That is, the program also aimed as creating an active population and healthy lifestyle. Okay, so 5 to 6 things we have clearly understood, and one more is there. The program strives to promote sports for all as well. Now the next topic is objective of Khelo India. First objective, playfield development. In playfield development, to find the possible area for the development of the standardized and safe playfield should be arranged. Second point, community coaching development. Community coaching development means to provide sports coaching for the community for experienced players. Third point, state level Khelo India centers to develop sports hubs centers at state levels. Fourth point, annual sports competitions. To encourage the promote sports competitions for the players should be arranged annually. Fifth point, talents search and development. To develop new, young and upcoming talent in sports and provide training to them, that is annual sports competitions, talent search competition. Sixth point is utilization and upgradation of sports infrastructure. Means to upgrade and utilize the sports infrastructure for the sports development should be done. Seventh point, support national, state, regional and sports academics. That is, to provide financial developmental support to the national, state, regional sports academics for sports promotion, it is necessary. Then next point is physical fitness of school children. To provide curriculum and helping school for development of fitness of the children. Then next point is sports for women. Ninth point, sports for women. In this to encourage and promote women participation in sports is necessary. 10th point, sports among people with disability. In this, to promote and encourage sports among the people, those who are having different type of disability. Then next point, 11th point, sports for peace. Here sports for peace means to develop and promote atmosphere for the sports for the promotion of peace friendship, togetherness and cooperation in the society. The last point is promoting rural and indigenous travel games. That means the indigenous and tribal games should be given more importance so that we can promote them more and more. Certain important questions are there. Just see. These are the important questions of first chapter. Because to this, in our next class, we will be starting the second chapter, that is Olympic value education. Olympic value education. Note it down, all the questions should be. In our second chapter, that is Olympic movement, we have to study about the different Paralympics, Olympics, ancient Olympics, modern Olympics, etc. And this is the main feature of modern Olympics games, that is the previously from the beginning, that is first Olympics started, modern Olympics started in 1896 Athens. So from there till now, the venues in which city it is been held is there. But due to this corona, it is COVID-19, it is impossible that this year it could be held in Japan, that is in Tokyo. Okay.